Never has a Volkswagen looked this aggressive. This is a complete departure from tradition. This is the all-new gold-badged flagship SUV, the ID Unix. The ID Unix is a massive SUV over 5 meters long with a 3-meter wheelbase, but don't let the size fool you. It doesn't look bulky like a traditional SUV. It's surprisingly sleek and well proportioned. From the side it looks really long. The cabin sits further back, and the hood is super long, giving it this stretched out front end. Plus, the C-pillar has a nice broad shoulder line, so from the side, the whole car feels really dynamic and powerful. Up front, this car completely breaks away from Volkswagen's usual neat headlight style. It's this bold daytime running light design that gives the car such a high-tech futuristic look, and right in the middle, that bright illuminated VW logo. It's sharp, iconic, and instantly recognizable. Now take a closer look. The daytime running lights are made up of triangular LED units with 400 individual lamp beads in total. And thanks to this pixelated LED setup, they can actually create all kinds of dynamic light sequences. Another really important detail is this chrome accent strip, starting from the front lip, running up the hood, continuing right through the cabin, and exiting at the rear, all the way down to the diffuser. It's a design element we've seen before on the original Beetle, so even though this is a very different kind of Volkswagen, IT still carries that DNA from the very early days. Moving to the side, this black trim here is called Tech Bar. It's designed to house all the sensors and components for intelligent driving. And this little white light, that's the autonomous driving indicator. It lights up blue when the driver assistance system is engaged. And check out these 21-inch wheels. The design is inspired by the classic black and white soccer ball from the 1970 World Cup, the first one ever broadcast live on TV. That pattern of interlocking pentagons and hexagons. It's not just a soccer icon. It's a design that connects people across cultures. Even the roof rails have a story. At the back, there's a special section that actually says 5G, because this isn't just a roof rack, it's also an antenna. Pretty clever. At the back, one detail really stands out. On the high-mounted brake light, there's the Wolfsburg crest. Volkswagen uses this historic emblem to remind us where it all began. It's a nod to the brand's roots. This is the first thing you'll notice: a big dual-screen setup. Two 14.96-inch displays with a super clear 2.4K resolution. It looks really seamless, not like two separate screens just stuck together. There's also a 10.25-inch screen for the driver that shows all the info you need. Under the hood, it runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295P chip, which is pretty much the best you can get in cars. I gave it a try. It's smooth, easy to use, and has all the features you'd want. Honestly, I think it's already better than BYD system when it comes to interior materials. Volkswagen really didn't hold back. They say 95% of the cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials. Feel this, it's Napa leather, finished with 40 steps of craftsmanship, and it feels incredibly smooth. Then there's the full-width air vent, paired with chrome accents and ambient lighting when it lights up at night. The whole vibe, that mix of luxury and tech, is honestly right up there with any of the new EV brands. The roof is another highlight, a 1.74 square meter smart dimming panoramic glass. It has 10 levels of adjustment, and it switches between clear and frosted mode in just 1 second. It also blocks 99.9% of UV rays. So no more worrying about the sun in the summer. Okay, that covers everything for this episode. Do you like this VW? Drop a comment and let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow for more deep dives. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.